Winnie, can you please tell me what animals are there on that farm animals chart?
Cow, rabbit, goat, donkey, horse, sheep, cat, hen, turkey, dog, pig, duckling, mouse, kit, hen.
Okay, good boy. What is the color of the pig?
It's
What is that color?
pink,
Pink. What is the color of the rabbit?
orange,
What is the color of the horse?
it's brown, and black.
What is the color of the donkey?
It's gray and black and gray.
Okay. What is the color of the mouse?
It's gray and pink.
Okay. What is the color of the duck?
Duck. White.
What is the color of the duckling?
White. Yellow.
What is the color of the chicken?
Chicken. Yellow.
What is the color of the hen?
White and red.
Okay. How many sheep are there on this chart?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Excellent. How many pigs are there?
1.
Do you see any elephant there?
No. No.
Which chart has elephant?
And I set it away.
Do you...
There.
Excellent. Which chart has giraffe?
Go.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yeah, you.
Bye bye.